Okay, so this is a short review of the iPhone 13 mini. It comes, first of all, with a 5.4-inch screen. And there are some questions whether it's too small. I feel like it is a perfect size, especially if you have small hands. I would have no problems using it, so no problems. 5.4, it is bigger than you think. It's just that the phone feels pretty small. That's the only thing there. In the phone it has 426 pixels per inch, and that is really high. Of course, that's expected from the iPhones these days, so that is good. And it also comes with OLED, and that is also expected of iPhones these days. So the screen, no problems there. And it has 60 Hz and not the 120 Hz. I think we will see a difference in the coming iPhones where they will have the Pro Motion with 120 Hz, but this has 60 Hz, and for most people that isn't an issue. And it also comes with 800 nits brightness. This will peak at 1200 nits, but 800 nits normally, and that is more than enough. This also comes with the latest A15 Bionic chip. It's fast, it never lags, so I don't really have much to say there. It has 6 cores and the phone has 4 GB of memory. We all know with Apple's system they don't need too much memory. They have, with their really good optimized software, they don't need too much memory. So don't think about that too much. And the model I have is the 256 GB model. And the back camera, it is a 12 megapixel with an aperture of 1.6. And the front camera is also a 12 megapixel but with an aperture of 2.2. All iPhones have 12 megapixels. And it can record at 4K at 60 FPS, so that is really good. Make sure to check that out if you use it, it looks really good as well. Some more features are wireless charging, it's waterproof, IP68. And the speakers, they are more than good, they are really good. It uses, it's stereo speaker, so it's down there and up in on the screen. So really good speakers, and it weighs 141 grams. So just a quick question is, who is the iPhone 13 mini for? And I would say that it is for the people who want a bit more value from your iPhone. It is basically an iPhone 13, just smaller and with a little bit worse battery life. But other than that, it's almost exactly the same with just a smaller screen. So if you want the most iPhone for your money, the iPhone 13 mini, it is the one you should get. And also if you have a bit smaller hands and you don't want a phone that's too big, the iPhone 13 mini is also perfect for you. Other than that, it is basically exactly like the iPhone 13, so you don't have to worry about losing any features. But if you feel like you want a more valuable, smaller iPhone, this is the phone for you. So, this was my short review of the iPhone 13 mini. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!